beautiful babes, your girl Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Beautiful babes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Let's get right to today's video. 5 head-to-toe uses for grapeseed oil. Yes, high in antioxidants and vitamin E, grapeseed oil is one of our go-to beauty oils and boasts a variety of uses that will keep your skin glowing, hydrated, and smooth from head to toe. Let's talk about it. I like to use it for a hair conditioner. Yes, thanks to its high vitamin E and linoleic acid content, grapeseed oil makes an excellent conditioning hair treatment that brings life back to dry, brittle strands. Comb the oil through your hair from root to tip and let it sit in your hair for 1 to 3 hours before rinsing out with shampoo. Because grapeseed oil doesn't feel as greasy on the hair like other oils, you can even use it as a leave-in hydrating treatment. Just apply 1 to 3 drops to damp hair after a shower. Yes, and number 2, as a shave oil, a natural skin softener. Grapeseed oil makes for an ultra nourishing shave oil that softens your hair and prevents ingrown hairs, giving you a closer shave and more moisturized legs after the fact. Just be sure to rinse your razor out periodically to keep it from clogging. And here we go, beautiful babes. Number 3, stretch mark treatment. You want smooth, flawless skin? Because it's high in antioxidants, grapeseed oil works wonders at brightening the skin and promoting a more even tone. Its anti-aging properties also promote cell turnover, which in combination with its antioxidant content works wonders on lightening stretch marks and even scars. Simply apply the oil daily to affected areas before bed to help diminish the appearance of stretch marks over time. Need a great facial moisturizer? Well, number 4 is for you. Drier skin types will love grapeseed oil as a standalone facial moisturizer for its ultra nourishing properties. Acne-prone types will also appreciate the oil as a moisturizer, given the fact that it is non-pore clogging. Apply 2 to 3 drops of the oil to freshly cleanse dry skin to nourish, balance, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. And number 5, y'all know I'm a sucker for a great massage. This is a wonderful massage oil. Grapeseed oil's nourishing anti-aging properties make it a go-to massage oil. Want an added natural scent? Combine the oil with a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Mine is patchouli. Yes, indeed. Warm the oil up in your hands before massaging into the skin. Honey, 1 through 5. There you go. There you go. 5 head-to-toe uses for grapeseed oil. Wasn't that fun? If you enjoyed it, beautiful babes, go ahead and drop a like on the video. If you found something that you didn't know about grapeseed oil, drop a like on the video. And beautiful babes, if you're new to the channel, you need to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and let's hang out together all the time. There you go. I'm your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now, but you know I'll be back, right? Always do. I got you right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. New videos daily coming right at you. There you go. See you on the next one, beautiful babes. And don't forget, you better not forget. You gotta tell somebody where you hanging out at. Why you looking so cute? That's right. Tell somebody. Share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.